This video, I'm going to go over a set of socks, actually a 3-pack set of merino wool socks from the company Socktown. How about that? You know, SOX sock. And just kind of like looking over it here. Actually, this is a 3-pack, and I got mine in a size 9/11, which is between 6 and 9. I wear normally a size 9. I found that these fit me perfectly. So they seem to run actually very true to size on that. And just kind of like going over the box here, you know, they say they're durable, they're breathable, they're comfortable, they're performance, and they have arch support. And actually, let me just kind of like go over them. I would consider this a medium weight sock. Looking over here, these are merino wool, so that means it's moisture wicking. And looking at the inside, you can see how the inside has that kind of wool-like look to it. And look at the stretch. Very nice stretch to it. And actually, you get a 3-pack with mine. And really, I have a pair on right now, and I'm partnering up with my Nike Pegasus 41s, which is my favorite walking / running shoe, and they fit perfect on that. They add enough cushion, and they have arch support in the center that just kind of like gives you a nice feel around the foot in a pair of like Nike Pegasus. But looking over the top of them here, they have a little bit of like elastic built into the top of the foot. The toe has been reinforced and stitched. I like the looks of that. This is going to be my kind of winter type gear for, you know, hiking, running, walking. Anytime I'm doing any type of outdoor activities, this is what I'm going to be wearing under my boots, shoes, or whatever. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Socktown, you know, merino wool socks. See you on the next video.